Hello YouTube, what's up? It's Cheese here. I am going to be doing videos on the private server grinderscape. Now, grinderscape is brilliant. It's so quick, it's nice and easy. I'm going to go after 99 in every single skill that I can, and it's just going to be sexy. And my task is that you'll probably see in another video. I'll try and make them constant. If there's anything you want to know, put it in the description below, and I'll get round to it in a video. Yeah, please don't bomb me. But yeah, guys, come play the game. I'll try and put it in the description. Um, Shout out to this guy because he's a pro. Little skilly thing. Yeah, one sec, guys. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Uh-huh. I'm bored. Oh, it's had time to die. Anyway, anyway, guys, this is gonna be a startup. Videos are gonna be shit. Sorry about that. But anyway, I will see you guys later in another video. And this guy has a better skill cape than Slayer. Not so better, but god damn it. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Boom.